All right, guys, today we've got everybody's favorite beard mail. All right, we got an unboxing video for you from a brand new company, so stay tuned and we'll see what we've got. Hey guys, Brian Haywood here. Welcome back to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel, where we discuss tips and tricks for your beards. We do some product reviews, do some special things. We had a beard advice series going on, but today we are doing an unboxing video. I'm excited about this one. This one's a brand new company that I don't think anybody else has done a video review for them. So it's the Honyocker Beard Company. I think I'm saying that right. I'll give you some more details in my final video for this company. But they're out of Illinois. Been speaking to the owner, Adam, and just reached out to him because I looked at the website. The feed came up, a little advertisement on Instagram, or he followed me or I followed him. I don't remember how it happened, but anyway, I checked out his website and had some interesting looking scents. And then I did some more research and didn't see that anyone else had did a review for him. So I reached out and he was more than willing to send me out some products to try. So thank you so much, Adam. I'm real excited to see what you sent me. So brand new package, hasn't been opened, and I have no idea what he sent me, and I did not go back and look at the website just now, so I have no idea what's in here, what the scent profiles are, any of that stuff. So we're gonna unbox this thing. So hold on a second. Let me see if I can't open this thing. All right, I got it. Oh, that thing's falling out. But anyway, let's see what we can do here. So here's what we've got. On the inside, everything's bubble wrapped. Looks like I see some little samples, which is great. Get to try out lots of scents, it looks like. Looks like there's a balm. And another package here. Looks like there might be some couple larger full-size oils in that possibly. All right. Got a letter here. Oh, wow. Typed out a long letter for me, so I'll read that and do more, give you more information from that on my next video. All right, so let me open up the larger package here. Seems like there's a couple of oils in it. Everything is bubble wrapped. You know, everything's wrapped up well. And two different beard oils. Nice burlap sack. That's a good one there. That's not too scratchy. Honyocker Beard Company, established 2019. It's a brand new company. Oh, wow. There's another handwritten note there on a little card. Somebody's got some good handwriting too. It says, Brian, thanks again for reaching out. I hope you enjoy the products. Welcome to Team Honyocker. Signed by Adam. So let's look at the two oils that I have here. This one, if you look, nice labeling. We've got a green bottle on this one. Okay, it looks like they are the waterproof labels. Okay, you got the dropper top. This one's called the Woodpecker. Specially formulated for the beard and skin underneath. Blah, blah, blah. Tells you how to put it on. Natural ingredients: jojoba, sweet almond oil, avocado oil, argan oil, castor oil, vitamin E, and essential oil blend. So right up my alley there. And the Woodpecker, I'm guessing that might be some sort of woodsy scent, you would think. Let's take a look at that. So just slightly off color there, but not very yellow at all. Pretty clear. Looks to be a light to medium oil. Medium oil when I spread it out. That is not woodsy. It's got a little spice to it, and maybe a little bit on the woodsy side. I'm not sure exactly what's in that. That's nice. It's not overpowering. I like that one. So that one was called the Woodpecker. Might as well just get rid of it here and put it in my beard. And the other one is called the Humidor. So obviously that one's going to be a tobacco, and I love tobacco scents. So we'll see what we got here. Cuban tobacco, it smells like. That's a nice one too. It's not extremely bitter, but it's not overly sweet either. So that's gonna be a good one. So very excited to do this. I love doing unboxings when I don't know what I've been sent. And also have some samples, it looks like. So before I do that, let me do the beard balm. I got a beard balm, and this one is the woodpecker as well, to match the oil that he sent me. Oh, listen to that. You hear it shake? That means that is a firm balm like I really like. So let's see. That comes out really smooth. Oh yeah, that's gonna be a good one. That's gonna be on the firmer side, but it was extremely smooth. So we'll come back to that one later. Smell like the oil. And let's see what we've got here. We've got a raggedy hobo. And I looked up the word Honyocker, and it was this old rancher kind of thing back in Montana. But I know Adam's grandfather, because their last name's Hahn, grandfather kind of called them Honyockers. Avenue Blue, that one sounds more sophisticated. Avenue Blue. They've got a little plastic, I don't know if it's a restrictor or top on that, so I may not take the time to get all of those off right this minute, but there's an Avenue Blue. Besides that, I have product all over my hands. Two-fisted. Two-fisted raggedy hobo. And the last one's Happy Trails. Nope, there's one more in here. By the way, this looks like a really good size. It looks like you'll be able to get about probably 4 to 5 uses out of these, so you can really see if you like them or not. And this one is the 57. So if I remember correctly on that one, that's kind of a throwback to older times from the 50s. So I don't remember if that's a barber shop or what, but I've got products all over my hands, and I got smells going on all over the place. So I won't open the samples right now, but I'll definitely report back to you what I find out there. But right off the bat, everything's very professional. Everything's well wrapped. There's great labels, great ingredients in things. By the way, on the balm, see what it's got. It's got white beeswax, shea butter, cocoa butter, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, avocado oil, argan oil, castor oil, vitamin E oil, and essential oil blends, and natural ingredients, 2-ounce tin. Okay, so good labeling, good presentation, good products, a nice firm holding balm, a medium weight oil, and then lots of goodies for me to try out over the next week or two. All right. So you guys stay tuned for a follow-up video on my final thoughts for the Honyocker Beard Company. Thanks again to Adam, and we'll see you guys soon. Thanks.